I'm going to do an unboxing of this curling iron. It's a fairly long cord. It turns 360 there. Fairly lightweight. There's a little part that you sit it on, that it leans on. Keep hitting my thing, I'm sorry. There's the light up indicator. Off, low, high. Yeah, pretty nice. And this is a, what size was it? I think it was 3/4 to 1.5 inch. Or 3/4 to 1.25 inch, something like that. There's the information on it. It does come with a I guess that's other products they sell, and a little user manual, tell you how to use it. Anybody that's had a curling iron, there's the specifics on it. It says it takes about 30 seconds before it's fully ready to use. So it's fast heating. I'm not going to turn it on because you can't see that, so just wanted to show it and do an unboxing of it. It's pretty nice.
Nothing we could do?
Well, I just happen to keep birth control samples on